Hey everyone. I want to tell you about something that happened today on Fields Avenue. I arrived earlier and parked my car near Jollibee parking. After that, I decided to walk around and start filming near the exchange booth and the terminal area. At that moment, I hadn't even turned my camera on yet. I was just holding it in my hand. I also had an empty shoulder bag with me. The only thing inside was an umbrella, because lately it rains very suddenly here, and you never know when a storm might start. So I'm walking toward the main intersection with the traffic lights, the one where people cross toward SM Clark. There were many people waiting to cross the street, and near the corner I noticed two young girls sitting there, probably around 12 or 13 years old. The moment I got close to the intersection, both of them suddenly stood up and walked toward me. One came directly in front of me and started talking. Daddy, Daddy, trying to distract me. At the exact same moment, the second girl moved behind me and tried to put her hand inside my bag. I reacted immediately, grabbed the bag, and turned my camera on. As soon as they noticed the camera, both girls quickly walked back and sat down where they were before. And of course, they immediately covered their faces with their hands. But this is exactly why people need to stay alert in this area. Fields Avenue can be dangerous when it comes to pickpockets and small thieves, especially teenagers working in groups like this. Some try to steal phones, others grab bags or wallets. Even Gorgi told me that earlier that same day he walked past the same intersection and saw those same girls sitting there, most likely waiting for another target. So, if you visit this area, especially near crowded intersections, always pay attention to your belongings.
Hindi ako mapalingan tao.
Right now, I'm going to show you what happened when I walked up to the Norma Exchange money changer. You're about to see everything for yourself. As I was walking past the Dumplings bar, a group of teenagers suddenly ran by me. It looked like they had stolen something from someone and were trying to escape. One of them ran right past me, and another passed near a local Barangay police officer who was sitting nearby. I've known that officer for a long time. He has worked in the barangay for years and also helps at the local hospital. He tried to catch one of the teenagers, but the kid sprinted right past him. The officer quickly started his motorbike and chased after them. I watched as the teenagers kept running farther away. But then, after a short while, I suddenly saw the exact same teenagers running back past me again, this time in the opposite direction. It actually looked kind of funny. The barangay officer had gone after them on the motorcycle, but they simply turned around and ran the other way. A few moments later, one police officer sped past me toward the direction where the kids supposedly ran. Then another police officer rushed by as well. Honestly, it felt almost impossible for them to catch those kids. They were running faster than the police could move through the traffic on motorcycles. It was one of those situations where the police seemed powerless because the teenagers were just too quick to catch. So be careful and stay alert.